Welcome back to Finance Fix Pro, your go-to channel for mastering your money and building financial freedom. In today's video, we're sharing the top 5 personal finance lessons we learned in 2024 that can help you crush your money goals in 2025. Whether it's saving smarter, investing wisely, or avoiding costly mistakes, these lessons are packed with insights you won't want to miss. So hit that like button, subscribe, and let's dive in. This year really showed us that life can throw some curveballs. We're talking about those big, unexpected expenses that can really throw your finances out of whack, like when your car breaks down or you face a mountain of medical bills. This year, having a solid emergency fund was an absolute lifesaver for many. And when I say emergency fund, I mean 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses saved up. Think of it as your financial safety net. In this unpredictable world, you're going to want a strong safety net. So, as we head into 2025, make building that emergency fund a top priority. Start by setting aside a small amount each month and gradually increase it. Having that peace of mind, knowing you're financially prepared, that's priceless. Let's be real. 2024 was a wild ride for prices. Inflation hit everyone hard, and it was a stark reminder that our money doesn't stretch as far as it used to. But here's the thing, it wasn't all doom and gloom. The people who thrived during this inflationary period embraced smart budgeting. Using simple, effective tools, like budgeting apps that track your spending in real time, can help you cut back without sacrificing happiness. Remember the 50/30/20 rule? It's a classic for a reason. Allocate 50% of your after-tax income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% for savings and investments. This framework gives you structure without being overly restrictive. In an era of economic uncertainty, smart budgeting is your secret weapon. Consistent investing always wins. If there's one thing we learned in 2024, it's that trying to time the market is futile. The market is unpredictable, even for experts. But you don't have to be a Wall Street wizard to succeed in investing. The key to building long-term wealth is consistency. Stay the course even when the market is volatile. Time in the market always beats timing the market. In 2025, commit to investing consistently no matter what the market is doing. Set up automatic investments into a diversified portfolio of low-cost index funds. Ignore the noise and focus on the long game. Your future self will thank you. Side hustles are game changers. 2024 highlighted the importance of having multiple streams of income. Relying on a single source of income is risky. We live in an era where it's easier than ever to create additional streams of income. Side hustles aren't just for starving artists and college kids anymore. They're for anyone looking to boost their income and gain financial security. Think about what you're good at and enjoy doing. Can you turn those skills into a profitable side hustle? Start small, experiment, and find something you enjoy. Not only will you be adding to your income, but you'll also gain valuable skills and expand your network. That's a win-win. Financial literacy is the key to success. Knowledge is power, and when it comes to your finances, knowledge is financial freedom. The more you know about managing your money, the better equipped you'll be to make sound financial decisions. Financial literacy is like having a superpower. In 2025, commit to boosting your financial literacy. There are countless accessible and engaging resources available. Explore personal finance websites, listen to podcasts, or check out YouTube channels dedicated to finance. Focus on learning one new financial concept each month. The more you learn, the more empowered you'll become to take control of your financial destiny. Start crushing your 2025 goals. Let's quickly recap the top 5 lessons we learned in 2024. Build an emergency fund. Use smart budgeting to combat inflation. Stay consistent with investing. Start a side hustle to boost income. Commit to lifelong financial education. If you found these lessons valuable, give this video a thumbs up and share it. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips to master your money in 2025. See you in the next video. Subscribe to Finance Fix Pro and start your financial journey today.